Welcome, Hussein. This was week 4 of September 2025, Solo Jazz Classics. We talked about putting it all together. We had some brief stuff about how to feel comfortable in your own body, and we talked about having different ways to do a move so you can do whatever feels best in the moment, and just relaxing as much as you can as you dance. The main steps we did today, we talked about varying our groove a little bit, which you'll see in our Suzy cues, where we talked about having this accented 2 and 4. And we put together some of our new moves like our Suzy cue and our Eagle slide into a combo, which looked a little like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. That was it. Thanks.